In this tutorial, we will show you how to activate your form, assign your form to an intake client, and then view that intake's forms. You can perform many actions in Manage Forms. Read about them in the Help pop-up here another time. You see it explains what all the statuses and actions mean and how to get your forms onto your website. In this tutorial, we are going to show you the Activate action. You cannot assign a form to a new intake client until you activate it. Find your tutorial form in this list. You can scroll down or sort by any of these columns. I'll sort the form type column in descending order. Notice that the status of this form is draft. I can continue working on the design of this form while it is in draft status, but now we want to start using it with intake clients. Here is the Activate action. When you activate a form, it freezes it. You cannot keep editing it unless you decide to redesign, copy, or deactivate it. If you think about it, after your intakes have started using a form, you need to create a new version of that form if you want to change it, or it will mess up the instances of the forms already completed by intakes. Make sense? Now your tutorial form will be available to assign to new or existing intakes. We'll do that next. There are two ways to assign forms to intake clients: at the time you create a new intake client or after you create an intake client. Be sure to go through the intake management tutorials to learn about the complete intake process and all the options you have with Intake 123.